Are you wondering if you can pay with cash on Doordash? You are not alone. Many people still prefer using cash over digital payments. In this quick guide, I'll show you how Doordash's cash on delivery works at its limitations and how you can make sure your order goes smoothly. Let's dive in. Can you pay with cash on Doordash? Yes, Doordash does offer a cash payment option. However, it's not available for every order or in every location. This feature called cash on delivery lets you pay your dasher in cash when your food arrives. But there are some key things to know before you try it. How does cash on delivery work? Here's you can pay with cash on DoorDash in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website and log in. Step 2. Browse restaurants and add your favorite meals to your cart. Step 3. At checkout, look for the payment method section. Step 4. If cash is available in your area, select cash on delivery. Step 5. Confirm your order and DoorDash will notify the driver. Step 6. When your food arrives, hand over the cash to the driver. Have the exact amount already, as most drivers don't carry change. The limitation of paying with cash. Now, before you get too excited, here are some limitations to keep in mind. Not all areas or restaurants accept cash payments. Dashers can decline cash orders for personal reasons. You'll need to have the exact amount ready. Paying with cash may mean missing out on digital deals. To make your cash payment experience hassle free, follow these steps. Check if cash payments are available before placing your order. Prepare the exact amount to avoid overpaying. Be ready when your food arrives to ensure quick handoff. Consider tipping your dasher in cash to show appreciation. And that's everything you need to know about paying with cash on DoorDash. While it's a great option for some, keep in mind the limitations as well. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and app related solutions. See you in the next video.